Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Let's continue to learn and explore new photography composition rules. Today's rule that we're going to explore is filling the frame with your subject. Let's get started. If you like my video guys, give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And now enjoy the video. Hey guys, I'm Sonika and it's great to try new things. But today let's get back to the basics and revise and dive deeper into a very basic composition rule, which is filling the frame. Filling the frame simply means that we need to fill our photograph with more of the subject. We don't need to worry about the composition or having negative space in our photo. We just go closer and snap the photo with more of the subject. Here's an example. This picture of the flower is a standard photo with a little negative space to draw our eye to the flower. Now it's the same flower close up. It fills the whole photograph. Now I'm going to give you some tips on how we can use this rule very creatively to enhance our photography. Use your feet as the zoom lens. Take a step closer and snap your photo. The benefit of getting close and filling the frame is that the photos will feel more intimate and personal. Find a simple background and photograph your subject against it. You can ask your subject to move to the background, or you can crouch low and use the sky as a background for the subject. Look out for patterns in everyday things and try to fill your frame with those patterns. You may even use patterns such as diagonals or brick walls, wood in your background to make your shot more creative. You can go close and fill the frame with your subject's face. Then you can go even closer and snap their eyes in various compositions and expressions. Experiment a little. You can frame your shot very tightly in the camera itself, but after clicking the shot, if you feel that you have a little space around your subject, you can always crop it. Take out any distractions by cropping the photo before sharing it. The bottom line is that you just need to fill your frame with whatever you find meaningful or important in your scene. So if you guys found this video to be useful, give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about which new photography composition rules you want to learn next on my channel. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is another composition rule for you. Please go check it out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.